Hey y'all, if you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for returning. So today I'm going to do a lazy girl meal prep. And that's all about just getting things that's already prepared. So I grabbed a rotisserie from Publix. I have a salmon, and then those will be my two proteins for the week. And then I have some broccoli, Brussels sprouts, not me about to say cauliflower. Brussels sprouts, and then I have some fresh mushroom. Now this week I am prepping also for my husband, so I feel like it's a little more this week. Last week I had my Brussels sprouts already prepared for me, and then I'm going to grab, I had my chickpeas prepared for me, but I didn't like those chickpeas. So last week it was really lazy girl because I don't think I cooked anything but just like a half a salmon. This week it's a little less lazy. Nevertheless, I am preparing meals for my husband and I. So let's get to it. You guys saw me earlier cooking the salmon. I already chopped up the chicken, and I did that before we just went out to baptism, and now we're coming back. So now I'm about to do the veggies. So our protein is pretty much done. I mean, with an exception of like, I want to do some chickpeas, my own chickpeas. The other chickpeas, I was like so hyped for them from Trader Joe's, but they were too sour. They were like a Mediterranean chickpeas. If you ever see them, they were just so sour, y'all. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and get my own chickpeas going. More protein. And then I have some corn as well. I got this from Walmart. They're so nicely chopped and cut. I love them so much. I usually get the little round whole ones from Aldi, but I was at Walmart and I was like, ooh, and they're so cute. as you can see, the meal prep is complete. I'm all dirty and ready for bed, ready for a shower. But if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. I will see you all in the next video.